Game launch blocked by the DirectX DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. This DLL file is an essential DirectX helper file. It provides applications with extra graphics tools for geometry processing and 3D modeling, which are vital for the execution of numerous PC games released in 2008. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. If the DirectX Update 40 DLL is missing, it typically indicates a break in your system's rendering stack. Use the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime web installer to restore legacy D3DX and Xaudio files, then verify your GPU drivers to support any OpenCL or OpenGL dependencies. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the DirectX. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like the DirectX Update 40 DLL. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes the DirectX library guidance. To support our technical team and receive updates on the latest DirectX End-User Runtime resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.